No. Who watches Peacock? No. Okay, no way I'm watching Disney Plus. I'll watch Disney Plus when they have the Goku movie. No, wait, they have Spider-Man. We're not gonna watch that. What are you doing? I'm trying to find a show to watch. Doing that Sunday? What do you expect me to do on a Sunday?
Range can right.
Let me watch Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse. Oh man, this is gonna be a good movie, bro. Spider-Man. Watch this with you. Oh. What just happened? Was that an earthquake, guys? I think so. What the? Oh my god. What I came in here to say is, are you guys watching the new Spider-Man movie? But since that freaking earthquake probably ruined our remote. Wait a second. Everyone's our door frame too! I'm gonna buy another one. It's a bummer. We'll keep the lookout for another earthquake. I gotta analyze the surroundings around us. Okay, well, looks like I'm gonna have to fix this. Oh my god! Yeah, what is it, Tails? It's like a wasteland outside. Let's come over here and look. Let's go look. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Horrible. Oh, what's going on? Tell us right up. Drill. Ghost. Oh yeah, Yacker. Whisper. Oh my god, are you okay? Oh my god, I think these drones are causing the earthquakes because my ghost form ran on. I think he took it and now he's disappeared. These drones are really annoying, my god. Oh, there's someone at the door, I'll get it. Tell us, there's someone who looks like you. Just come in.
Yeah. Hello.
Freaking kill you! Break up! What's going on? He owes me money. So much money that he's owed me for decades. He hasn't gave it to me.
Chill.
You know you owe me money and I want it now.
Let's just play one last poker game.
Risking all my money that I've earned, like $1 trillion. I want my money that you've owed me for decades.
Chill. The only thing is, you have no friends.
That was necessary. No duh. I tried doing this with you. Get over here. Dang, it looks like more of a wasteland out there. I wonder how that mango guy survived. And where did he go? Did he just go underground? So, Whisper, I'm gonna go, Tails, you go investigate. Use the drill. Here you go. Right, here I go. Drill! I hope you become safe. My drones, go invade Earth. Methodless drones, get him! Up, Tin Can. These guys are too easy.
What the? Whoa.
Take that! Whoa. How dare you do this to my drones? One for gold! Whew. Got him. You haven't got me yet. We're off to do something! Whew. Now. It's only you now. It's only you and me. I'll shake your hearts and then feed it to you. Whoa! Get over here. Whoa, the earthquake! Oh no! I'm not affected by the earthquake, but you are.
Why have I causing the earthquake? The monsters! I must end this! One awful choice! No!
Tails, he saved me. I saved you, give me my money. Thank you very much. I'm getting out of here. Get rid of the quaking?
Apparently I did. My voice was causing it.
Good thing I got rid of it. Oh, thank God, Tails. Now let me sleep. It's been a long day.
Sister.
I'm going back in my room.
Alright guys, here's Tails' new power percentage. I will read it to you in another video. See ya.